Hi, everybody. All right, this is a step-by-step walkthrough on how to use the 3M grouper. So I'm going to share my screen here and we'll see if we can get this managed this time, okay? I tried it one other time and it didn't work, so I'm hoping this is all good and setting that it might work this time. Okay, so you go to ahima.org, and when you do that, then you go into My AHIMA, which you'll find up here at the top, and then you log in with your personal ID and password, okay? And when you get there, then you're going to go to My AHIMA, and then you're going to go down here to Learning Center. You're going to click on that, and then it will take you to, hopefully, you'll see a page that says AHIMA VLab in the middle in blue. Okay, should be right here, hopefully. Okay, so you're going to click on that, and once this brings you up, we're going to go launch next so that we can get into the VLab and into the Brightspace. So we're going to scroll down a little bit here. Okay, and we're going to do Application Launch Center is where we're going, and then we're going to go ahead and launch it. And the very first program that you're going to see on the list is going to be our 3M, and that's the one we want. So we're going to click on it, and it should come up automatically. And you're going to see this box has got some pretty blue in it and everything. Remember that MSDRGs are based on 65 and older in Medicare. So it's very important that we put the age in here and the sex. So I'm going to leave the sex is female. This is just an example. I'm going to put 69 in there. I'm going to put start date of March 1st was their admit date, and my discharge date, I'm going to put the 9th. Okay, so there's no problems with that. They're in the hospital, General Hospital right now. It does say DRG Finder, which is great, and it's a Medicare patient. I'm going to hit continue. All right, and it's going to come up with this screen, and this is basically where they're going to be going. And so I actually am going to put home. I'm clicking on that one, and it's going to take me to another page. You need to put the codes in here unless by chance you hit code book, and then it will take you to another screen to look for codes. So my first diagnosis, this patient has COPD exacerbated. So I'm going to put Z40, oh, hold on, J44.1, oops. There we go. And I'm going to hit OK. Good. See, and I have some information there, J44.1, pulmonary, COPD. Good. Awesome. And I want to add another diagnosis to that, and I want to add I50.9 for congestive, okay, because this person's really sick. Okay, so there we go. There's two. So I have two diagnoses, and they are not having anything done this time with procedures. If they did, then I would put here, add a procedure, and I would add a procedure to it, a procedure code. Okay, so looking at this now, I can actually do DRG options, which will give me a better view of what's going on here. So if I click on DRG options, it's going to tell me everything. Primary diagnosis, I50.9, I got a DRG of 293, a weighted value of 0.6526. Length of stay is two days, almost 3. Gross length of stay is 2.3. Reimbursement is $3,329. And descriptor is heart failure unspecified. Okay, so that's what I have. So you can print this up if you want to, or you can get your information and then hit OK. And then when you need to go to another patient, you hit next patient. It clears the screen and it takes you back to where you were to begin with. Again, you need to fill this information out again. Most important thing for every single one, change your sex if you need to, put your date, your age in there, the dates of service, admit and discharge. And that should be the only thing you really have to change on this screen. Okay, so hopefully that helped. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I will talk to you soon. Okay, thanks.